T-minus 13 minutes. We are currently waiting on LD and CE call.
LD, CE on countdown 1.
LD.
Okay, we have still in loads violation with the last balloon at 151%. We are no-go for a launch attempt today.
Copy all CE. LC, stop the clock and stop all auto sequences.
Clock is stopped.
And
ending countdown master auto sequence.
Excuse me, correction, stop the auto sequences. That should be stopped.
Copy. Yeah, the procedure says end countdown master.
Thank you.
Countdown master auto sequence ended.
And as you heard from Chief Engineer John Murator, upper-level winds did not cooperate, and Launch Director Ricky Lim has called a halt to the countdown today. We are officially scrubbed.
All right, sir, we're going to scrub the launch attempt for today and recycle for 24-hour attempt. We will proceed with offload of propellants at this time. Do you concur?
The copies and concurs.
All right. LC, excellent operation today. Very, very smooth. Let's go ahead and keep Discover and Falcon 9 safe. Offload propellants. Tomorrow's launch attempt will be 6:03 p.m. Eastern Time.
Copy. We're in work on scrub site saving procedures.
Copy. Which section?
Section 10.66.
Thank you.